So I'm going to demonstrate on how to switch the label from on a CAS LP1000N model. So I've opened everything and I'm going to open the print head, and because we're not actually finished with this roll, I'm gonna have to cut it. So let's just cut this here. Okay, so I'm going to undo these pins and with them sort of remove the roll. There. Okay. And now this one too. Alright, so just set them here for now. The label I'd like to put in is a little different than the one that we have. So this is what we just took out. It's a shorter label, and this is what we will be putting in. It's the label that has ingredients on it. So I've changed the angle to better position the camera, but let's do this. So this is the easy part, where we just put this pin back in, right? And then the label goes over this part here. And so if you're not sure, you can reference this diagram here that's shown on the label. But basically we're going under this pin into the print head. So no. Okay, and then I'm going under all the way around. Alright, and perhaps I need to pull like one more. So, and now we have this pin here that we can, I think it's the other way around. So here it is. I believe we are done. Okay, then let's go ahead and close the print head, and let me just reposition the camera a little bit. Alright, so let me just feed this, and obviously because the formats are different, we need to change a little bit the way these things are fed. So this is mostly a settings issue now. So the label that we've just placed into the scale is model CAS 8020, and there are two ways that it can work. Either with a one-line commodity, where you can see, or two-line commodity, and then there's plenty of room for ingredients and two lines for the shop at the bottom. So I'm thinking that two-line commodity will be better because it looks like merchant I'm working with has pretty long item description names.